At this time, I would like to explain Section 12.2. Section 12.2 begins on page 846. It's dealing with the surface area of prisms and cylinders. Prisms and cylinders are three-dimensional figures that we study. And on these figures, we typically talk about lateral areas. Lateral areas are areas around the side. For example, this box pictured here has a three or four sides, four lateral faces, the front face, the back face, the left face, and the right face. And then it has two bases, which I've shaded in red. So lateral faces, of which we can find the areas called lateral areas, and then we typically also add to that the area of the bases. The next picture I have here pictured is a triangular prism. A triangular prism has a triangular base. The one that I've pictured has a height of 12. It has a triangular base with dimensions 3 by 4. Remember, when you're finding the area of a triangle, the dimensions you use always have to be at right angles to each other. So the 3 and the 4 are at right angles to each other. And in order to find the lateral area, we have to take the perimeter and multiply by the height. The perimeter of the base is 4 and 3 and 5. That's 12. 12 multiplied by the height of 12 giving me a lateral area of 144. If the problem said find the total area, we would have to add to the lateral area the two triangles. Each triangle has dimensions 3 by 4. The area of a circle is base times height, 3 times 4 divided by 2. But since there are two of them, a top and a bottom, we could simply take 3 times 4, 12, add it to 144 and get 156. The surface area of a cylinder is equal to the perimeter multiplied by the height. In order to find the perimeter of the circle, we have to use the formula 2 times pi times r multiplied by the height. In the problem pictured here, the radius is 3. 2 times pi times 3 would be the perimeter of the cylinder multiplied by the height of 7, giving us a lateral area of 42 pi. If we had to find the total surface area, we would also add the top and the bottom. Both the top and bottom are circles, each having a radius of 3. So that's pi times 3 squared is 9 pi, and another 9 pi for the top, giving us a total area of the top and bottom at 18 pi. I add to this the lateral area of 42 pi, giving me the total surface area of 60 pi. Your assignment today is problems 1 through 4. On page number 849. Problem number 1, for example, the perimeter lateral base is 4.5. To get the total perimeter, we take 4.5 times 5 and multiply that by the height of 5, giving us a total lateral area. That's what's being asked for in number 1. And numbers 2 and 3, you also have to find the total area besides the lateral area. So you're going to be adding in problem 2, 2 rectangles to the lateral area, in problem 3, 2 triangles. Just a side note on number 3, in order to find the perimeter, you would add 8 to 6, but then you're going to have to use the Pythagorean theorem to find out the hypotenuse of that triangle. then you will be able to add that to the 8 and 6 to get the perimeter, multiply it by 12 to get the lateral area. Problems 5 and 6 are cylinders. The lateral area is 2 pi r multiplied by the height. The top is a circle, pi r squared. The bottom is a circle, pi r squared. So we're going to have to add all three of these things together to get the total surface area. Problem number 7 is a little more complicated. They tell us that the total area is 286. That's the lateral area of 2 times pi times 3.14 times the height, which is unknown, plus 2 circles, the top and bottom, each having an area of pi r squared. So this is how you're going to have to do problem number 7 to solve for the height. Problem number 9. If we use the Pythagorean theorem, we can find that the unknown dimension to the triangle is 5. 3 squared plus 4 squared is 5 squared. So the perimeter would be 3 plus 4 plus 5 multiplied by the height of 2, giving me the lateral area. If I needed to know the total surface area, I would add to this 2 triangles whose dimensions are 4 by 3. Area of a triangle is half of base times height, half of 4 times 3. We have 2 of those. We're going to add those to the top and bottom to the lateral area to get total surface area. Number 18, the perimeter or the radius of this problem is 13. The height is 24.5. So to get the lateral area, I'm going to take 2 times pi times r times the height. Then again, to get the total surface area, I'm going to add 2 circles of each being pi r squared. Your assignment for this unit is problems 1 to 9, 11 and 12, and problems 17 through 22. Thank you.